You know what hits me every day living in China? It's just safe. I can stroll through my city at night, Chongqing, with no worries, no sketchy vibes. Crime's super low, drug laws are ironclad, and they don't play with corruption. In the 7 years that I've been here, I've maybe seen 10 homeless people. Then I spent a month in the U.S. with my family, and last summer, and counted over 30 homeless just in about 3 weeks. To me, that's just wild. And the cost of living, it's a steal. In any second-tier city, $1,500 a month gets me rent, food, nights out, phone, power, travel, car insurance, health insurance, everything. And if you own a home, there's no property taxes nagging at you. I'm living better than I ever could have back home. China's tech is another thing that blows me away. They're outpacing the US in stuff like medicine, EV cars, even farming. It's all robots and AI. It's all next level. The infrastructure backs it up. High-speed rails zip me across the country. Subways and DD rides make life a breeze and super convenient. Borders? Locked tight. No illegal entry messing things up, keeping it steady. The culture is awesome. No crazy woke agendas stirring up trouble or targeting kids. Just people and families vibing, celebrating stuff like Spring Festival with dumplings and lanterns. And the progress here is unreal. Leadership has lifted 800 million out of poverty over the past 4 decades. I've seen villages go from nothing to thriving, and it's all legit. China's chill on the world stage, too. No 800 military bases like the US, with 400 of those very close to China, poking at the dragon. No coups or color revolutions or bombing runs. China's out there building roads and bridges for other countries. Drugs? Not a problem. Zero tolerance keeps the streets clean. And if you get a DUI, there's a good chance you could kiss your license goodbye. And corrupt CEOs, if you want to embezzle a couple $100 million, you're looking at the death penalty. It's no nonsense here in China. But honestly, what seals it for me is the freedom to explore. I love packing up and heading to places like Qing Ao Wan, there on the coast, where the beach curves like a postcard, waves glittering under the sun. Standing there, breathing it all in, I feel alive. China's got my heart. It's safe, affordable, and full of beauty like that, like what you're watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.